Hi, this is Dominic from Paphos Life, and I'm having a Christmas Eve walk along the boardwalk. I'm going to be preemptively getting rid of my Christmas Day binge. That's the idea. I'm starting at St. Nicholas Chapel. I'm not going to go in it with this camera because I would hit the door at the top. There's a little bear there. You can have a different view of the tree as well. Past the sunset point of Cyprus, well, one of them. And there's the chapel itself. Opened in 2013. Now, I think most of the hotels at this end of the hotel strip are actually closed for the winter. But it doesn't stop the walk from being nice and pleasant. It also means though that I'm not going to have to worry about privacy issues, because there won't be anyone to film really. So all the sunbeds have been put away for the winter. Sea's fairly calm. It's about 9:30, I should say. We'll go away from the pavement. Give me a chance to have a little bit look at the beach. Now the beach here during winter will always get lots of seaweed dumped on it. That's just nature doing its thing. It gets cleared away though before the next holiday season. Now I'm not going to be doing a hyperlapse with this footage, so I can wander around wherever I want to really, because when I do a hyperlapse I have to try and keep in a straight line. Coming up to the Asimina suite now, and you'll be able to see the building work. Oh, got to mind the leaves because it's on a rather long pole. Looks like I'm doing a protest march or something, to be honest. Perhaps I should have a little flag there with the Ukraine flag on it or something. So yeah, this is the Asimina. They're putting a new floor one there. And they're doing a bit of TLC on the beach here too. A big pile of sand. Danger. Difficult commenting on that, and more making sure I don't hit a palm tree at the same time or walk into anybody. Do get some discreet yet subtle look, sort of saying, what the hell are you doing? It's a good question, but it's keeping me out of the house, so I'm not getting under my wife's feet as she prepares the Christmas lunch or dinner, depending what you want to call it. And she can also send me an emergency message if I need to get anything in Paphos before I come back. So it's win-win. We had a bit of emergency last night. Turns out our gas boiler had sprung a leak, probably during the earthquakes. And it wasn't a very big leak, but over the weeks, the remaining gas had escaped, so we found ourselves with no gas. We only use the gas for cooking. So I just had to go out and buy a 2-ring cooker thing for the princely sum of €64. And we'll worry about getting the gas boiler fixed in the new year. Because the gas is only used, as I said, for cooking these days. This is the Aqua Mare. They still got sunbeds out. And I did see one person just back there on them, so they might still be open. Oh yes, there were some people towards the entrance. There's a pretty cat on the other side of the pool, so they're still open. I know Evie Marie is open because I saw them advertising the fact. And they've still got their sunbeds out, and they do look slightly less sizable than the ones they have by the pool are a bit bigger, believe it or not, because these ones are huge anyway. They're very nicely kept though. Unless the outdoor pool's heated, I don't think they'll get many swimmers at this time of year. But there are definitely people here. I can see there's one lady in a swimming costume even. Yes, you can only use these sunbeds if you're actually staying at the Evie Marie, I should point out. So yes, we were able to circumvent the need for gas hob. The problem went away. Here's another plane taking off. Every time I hear a rumble though like that these days, I wonder if it's another earthquake. There are quite a few of them this year. I think statistically we haven't had that many more than normal. It's just that the biggest one we had was right near us, the epicenter, so we noticed it more. That's probably what buggered up the gas as well. But so I'm more aware of them this year than normal. But like the storms, so I'm just checking the time. The storms they have here, they happen every year with a similar result. I mean, you only have to do a search on our YouTube channel, just search Paphos storms or whatever, and you'll see plenty more footage like the ones you see we did a week or two ago. But every year it's a surprise. Anyway, I'm going to finish this film here. I'll do another film from here up to the Olympic Lagoon Resort. So thank you very much for watching. Hope you're having a good Christmas, and we'll see you in the next film. Cheers.